Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're opening Pages to begin a usable document. Start by tapping the plus button and selecting either a template or blank so you control structure. Once chosen, give the document a short name at the top to find it later. Make sure iCloud is on for automatic saving and syncing across devices because you don't want to lose edits. If you need a specific size, set paper orientation and margins now. This prevents reformatting later as you add content. Now you'll build the page. Tap the plus menu to insert text boxes, images, shapes, or tables, and drag them into place with one finger. Use the Format panel to pick fonts, spacing, and paragraph styles so headings and body text stay consistent. This helps readers scan your document. Once done, group related objects and turn on guides or snap to align everything precisely. If you need a reusable layout, save the page as a template so future documents. To finish, review your work by zooming and scanning thumbnails to confirm flow, then export as PDF or Word depending on how recipients will use it. When you're ready, tap Share and choose Mail, Messages, or Add People to collaborate. Set editing permissions so others can view or edit. If your layout shifts after export, restore a previous version from document history or fix the specific style settings that caused the change. That single troubleshooting move often solves most formatting issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.